The Reflow Shuttle is a comprehensive fixture-based checking system for your reflow process. It allows you to repeatably verify all key process parameters quickly and easily in a single pass. Modern reflow soldering has evolved. In addition to temperature, other important variables that impact your costs and quality need to be controlled and therefore measured. Let me explain what Reflow Shuttle can do. The Reflow Shuttle can accurately measure and verify oxygen PPM levels in every zone of your nitrogen-purged reflow oven with full process heat. This allows you to quickly pinpoint wasteful nitrogen leaks caused by defective oven seals and curtains. Optimize oxygen levels for best quality whilst minimizing costs. Compare and optimize performance between different lines producing the same or similar products. And verify processing conditions before and after maintenance. The Reflow Shuttle can measure and verify vibration levels from your single or dual lane reflow oven conveyor. This allows you to easily debug and solve component movement problems, identify in-feed, out-feed and conveyor issues, and identify possible issues caused by blocked extraction. The Reflow Shuttle can measure and verify your oven's vacuum stage. This allows you to measure and verify hold times and ultimate vacuum level, measure and verify pull down and release rates, and aid debugging machine problems and component movement issues. The Reflow Shuttle can measure and verify temperature levels and repeatability throughout the whole length of your reflow oven. This allows you to measure and verify temperature uniformity across the conveyor width, measure and verify effective convection levels above and below the conveyor, and easily spot and rectify issues with heaters and fans. The Reflow Shuttle can also measure and verify product line speed for each of your products and production lines.